go ahead and get them over there. All right, hi everybody. Today we're moving chickens. These little over 2 weeks old. So they were born on a Wednesday. Got here on a Friday. So today's Friday. Second Friday they've been here. So we started them on chick grit, since we're going to put them out here in the dirt, I guess, in the high tunnel. I already moved them all. We had some sound issues, so we kind of had to do the spiel over again. So that is what it is. We had 85 chicks total. Well, we ordered 75. They sent us 85. They gave us 10 free ones. We had one that was dead on arrival, but since then, in the last 2 weeks, we haven't lost a single chick, and they're growing pretty well. So we got them out of there, putting them in here in a nice little area that we got some straw in there, and I sprouted some wheat, so they got some nice fresh green stuff to play around with and eat, and a little bit bigger area. So that's what we're doing today. So just brought them over here on the tractor, then we're going to take them in here and turn them loose. So. They fly out. A lot bigger little wings on them now. Alright, so we got the first batch already in here, so they're eating a little bit of grit. We got a bigger water. Got 2 grit stations here for them with the chick grit. So you want to start them on that at about 2 weeks, because that way they can start eating bigger stuff. Because the starter, it just kind of turns the mush in their system. So if they're going to be eating more solid stuff, you want to get them on that grit. So in the high tunnel here, we've made a few upgrades. I got the real thick treated deck boards and ran down the sides. And then we put 24-inch chicken wire all the way around the perimeter and attach that. And that's for two reasons. One is if we want to run chickens in here in the off season or whenever, in the spring and in the winter, we can do that and don't have to worry about, and we can still open up the sides and don't have to worry about them getting out. And then two, when we are growing stuff in here, we can open up the sides again. We don't have to worry about predators, stuff that are going to eat vegetables, produce. We don't have to worry about them getting in. So it does two things for us with kind of one upgrade. So got that done. We got plants started down there. Some of them are starting to come up, but not all of them yet. We got kind of a cold snap here. We actually had snow 2 days ago on April 21st, 20th or 21st. We had like 3 or 4 inches of snow, so it got cold, but it's warming back up again. So that's pretty much what we got going on here today. Get these guys out here, get them situated, and bought some new tractors, new old tractors. Bought an International 656 and a little Ford 1300. I'm gonna sell the Ford, I just bought it to resell. I'm gonna do some work to it. Then I'm gonna keep the International and probably sell my little D14 Alice Chalmers to do a little swapping around there. So have some more stuff coming out on those later on down the road here for you guys. But that's pretty much what we all got going on right now. So again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, to get all, and hit the bell for the updates. Give us a thumbs up, like the video. So on this channel, we're doing all the farm stuff here and farm equipment maintenance and working on stuff. If you're interested in trucking stuff, check out our other trucking channel where we kind of started out with. So a lot of stuff on there if you're interested in owner-operated trucking and truck maintenance and all that good stuff. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you all next time.